Well, this is definitely one way of making an entrance in Haulover. Welcome back, guys. It is your boy Broncos Guru, along with our boy Wavy Boats down at the inlet getting the images, and it's this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover. Our first contestant to do battle with Haulover this week's going to show us what it's like when you come rolling through Haulover flying high. Well, at least the drone's flying high. This is the Midnight Express Young Guns, and they're about to come steamrolling through Haulover. These guys are basically doing exactly what this boat was made to do. They are rolling through this inlet, throttles down, not looking back, and showing Haulover who is the boss on this day. I always love seeing those drone shots because it really does give you a different perspective. It looks so much different than the flat angles we get down here on the inlet. Right here it actually looks like a pretty mild and calm day, but if you go back and look at those drone shots, you can tell it's actually kind of a rough day out there, but that really didn't affect this boat's performance at all, and this first round is definitely going to the boats. Our contestant in the second round is going to show us what it's like when you come through Haulover doing all you can do. Now when I say that, that means that they're going to do just about everything they can do to do this right. But unfortunately, sometimes Haulover's the 800-pound gorilla in the room, and she's not going to let you win no matter what. Some days Haulover's just going to be big and she's going to smack you around. I am going to give this round to Haulover, but not really to any fault of the captain himself. It's just a big day in Haulover. Almost all these boats we're watching right now are going to take a beating coming through. Our boater in the third round is going to fall victim similar to the last boat that we saw, but there was a couple other things that triggered this one. These guys in this nice Regal are coming rolling through Haulover Inlet pretty slow, nothing impressive, and typically actually probably would not have even made this video until what happens after this. Their brother boat comes in right behind them, the exact same vessel, and handles Haulover in a completely different manner, thus triggering this captain to be put in this situation where he's actually going to take a loss for the boats in this round. But just like our last captain, to no fault of his own, in fact, it's his brother's fault. When somebody comes rolling through right behind you in the exact same vessel doing it like this, you know the first vessel lost. It really is incredible. We don't get to see this all that often where I get two of the exact same boats coming through on two different methods right behind each other. But all I could think of when I saw this happen was this boat wins and the last boat loses. That's going to take us to our fifth and final round where things are going to get a little loose at Haulover. Here we go in tied at 2 apiece. Will the boats take the win or will Haulover take the win? Well, let's see how this large yacht handles coming through the inlet. Typically these things eat Haulover up. These guys are designed to be out there in big water, and this should be no issue to come through the inlet even on a pretty rough day like today for this kind of boat. But you know what? Haulover is not going to just give up easily, and it's going to go ahead and go toe-to-toe with the shot, and Haulover is going to give him an unexpected shot, knocking this dinghy loose and giving this round to Haulover. And that's going to give Haulover the win this week, but this does create a unique situation because now we've got a rescue that needs to happen. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to leave all that rescue footage right here at the end of this. Thanks for watching, guys, though. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And also our newest channel, the Miami Boat Ramps channel, has all the hilarity that is the boat ramps down in Miami. And if you haven't already here, go ahead and drop an anchor on that subscribe button. Also, just a little heads up, Wavy Boats over on his live stream channel, Haulover Live, will be giving away some tickets to the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show this Saturday. So please go check that out on Saturday.
WC sector, you were hailing over.